Whoa, what happened over there?
That's
Whoa,
our boost
whoa.
Zeros.
I thought we were friends.
What you want to do?
All right, so Randy wants to kick your teeth in.
Randy wants to what? Randy said he wants to pull my pants down. Oh.
That is not what I said, he said. Okay. So we're going heads up, 10 o'clock, right? What time we got?
I ain't got a 118.
Oh, we need something.
We ain't got no pro mod. No, we already said.
We need a break. Give us a break.
No, lane choice. There's no pro mods. Yeah, he got 118.
Man, we got to flip for lanes.
I
know how fast y'all are. I know how
fast am I? You tell me right now on camera.
I will tell you, you win a 424 at 176 mile an hour.
You smoking.
Show me the ticket. Show me the ticket.
Logan got it.
He's about to fall for it. God, he's about to fall for it.
Logan. No. Logan.
Let's see it.
I got you.
Come on.
Hey, that's it right there.
Oh, no, I don't.
That's it. Right there. None your business.
None your business. All right, y'all get lane choice. That's fine. Y'all get lane choice. 10 o'clock.
$100.
No, we just do it for
Did Randy
free.
drive his truck down?
Yes.
Has he got a big pushy pillow?
I don't know if he does or not.
Ass on the ride home?
Oh.
Yeah, you heard that shit written out.
Randy.
Randy's good.
All right, heads up. Y'all got lane choice. Y'all gotta pick your lane now.
No, we don't.
I'm just saying. Hey, I'm turning into a grudge racer.
Right.
You get to polish our stuff. He gets to polish our stuff for free if we win. Oh yeah. That's a good bit.
If I win this, I want an LS Nasty sticker on Randy's car. No. I put small block Ford Nasty is coming to life. I want a small block Ford Nasty sticker on there.
Done. I can make that happen. But y'all ain't winning. All right, what?
We're flipping. All right, then what do you?
No. Y'all got lane
Then you
choice.
can put something on. You can put something on my car. And what do you want to put?
How about LS Nasty until you...
How about his greasy ass cheeks?
Hey, what?
His greasy ass cheeks.
On my car?
Yeah, like.
You know what? I didn't know what you tried to put that shit on.
Look, you don't understand the fact.
Hey, Turbo John's a little sus right there.
I'm going to this side.
No, I don't know what Randy's gonna have to.
Randy can think it up.
Okay,
I'm
Randy.
not cutting my hair though for Randy.
Dude, okay.
You, we'll talk about
All right,
it.
we're gonna have to do the Dr. Phil cut. Oh, I did put the sticky wastegate tune in Randy's.
Oh, here we go.
I'm just saying, we got the sticky waste.
Look. Stuck wastegate.
Look, I'm just saying.
That's disrespectful.
That was just because of John.
We put that on there just for you.
Absolutely. All right, here we go. A few minutes.
I'm worried. Turbo John said if you won, you wanted to put your bare ass cheeks on me.
I said on your car.
No, you said on me.
I did not say on you.
I said, whoa, listen, guys.
You clearly did not understand. You did not understand the Southern language, my drawl.
I don't even say that. All right. I don't know what y'all are doing over there when you're in between rounds, you know? That's all I'm saying. So,
We got some stinking wastegates.
he's winking over here. There's something going on. I'm a little worried right now, guys.
We might have won a personal best a minute ago.
Did you?
I'm just saying. We may have.
Well, it makes two of us. Let's just go have some fun. That's all it's all about.
All right.
Safe out there,
All right, so
take it easy on me. He's been whooping up on me for 2 years now, like 1 and 6.
I plan to continue that ass whooping. But if you win, I'm gonna be speed tickled to death.
If you need a pillow for the ride home, sit on. I got you covered.
No, I got plenty of ass back there.
Okay.
Come on.
So, hey, so what's
You're a real
the?
suspect here.
So, hey, so what's the bet? Okay, so the bet, John.
So,
A Coca-Cola pack of that is all I got.
all right. No, I don't even want that.
Okay.
If I win, small block Ford Nasty sticker, the first one goes on your car. Back window. Small block Ford Nasty. If you win, no.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, this is dangerous. All right,
Hey, Dr. Phil cut. Dr. Phil cut.
No, I'm not doing that.
I'm just saying, join the crowd.
Okay, let's get a picture before. It's gonna be our first small block Ford Nasty representative right here.
All right, look. I'm just saying, y'all got lane choice.
Yep.
But y'all got a bigger TKM sticker than we have. I'm just saying, we ought to get the break. Y'all get lane choice, we get the break.
Someone told me today it's actually 119 millimeter turbo. Not 18, 118. It says 119.
Oh my God! Here we go! Here we go!
I
Here we go!
told you can have the back tire for life, but I really didn't mean that.
All right, I got the nitromethane installed.
Yep.
We got a lot of.
Did you ever come up with a name for your car?
No.
I'm just saying, it just looks like you're sitting here stalking his prey.
When you get a painted, you got.
Hey, don't say that. Last time you said that, you know what happened.
I know every time I talk smack, we lose. Sorry, we probably already lost.
No.
I've been talking too much smack.
Learn, just have fun.
Turbo John stuff earlier welded a converter bolt to the flex plate.
Did you really?
Yeah, no, you stripped out. We couldn't get it out, and I was afraid you're gonna fly out. So we had a TIG welder because we've had the blow off valve blow off, the exhaust blow off. I've been welding.
Y'all had some issues this week.
canopies. I've been welding throttle cable brackets for people. Like I'm just gonna come to the track and weld.
Dude, I'm telling you, put a sign up, welding.
$100 a minute.
Yeah, $50 or $50 for per job,
Oh, you can order it, like,
or $100
somebody comes
in
up,
job.
I got next round. You give them their parts, and be like, all right, it's gonna be $500 if you want it back.
They'd be like, wait a minute,
ever do that.
dude. Yeah, no, you bring a welder though. You really, it's amazing how much people break stuff at the track.
That goes around. Has
Do they really?
Yeah, he makes a lot of money.
That's all he does.
I
Is,
don't care about my money. I'm just glad.
No, yeah.
Because it sucks so much when you go to the track and it's like, man, I could go around, but I just got to weld this back together. If I had a welder, it'd
my
be no
wastegate fell
problem.
off. Yeah, I mean it happens all the time. Actually, what was it? 2 years ago down here, I broke an axle tube. Profab guys had one. They welded it up, and then about 2 passes later, my fuel tank busted and started leaking. And they welded it back up. All right, so here we go. I'm pretty confident they're going to take the left lane, but I don't think it matters. Both of the lanes are going to be okay. Now we did turn ours up a little bit. So here we go. We're pushing up. Just rolled up. So y'all for sure put the gap on us with the push vehicle.
Yeah, we roll in the pit.
Yeah, clearly. Hey, I was like, where they at? I was like, they gone.
Where do you think would be a good spot for the sticker?
Right there. I mean, you were just asking. I mean,
I keep looking at his shirt where it says wastegate stuff. It's like I'm triggered by it. Like it's
that was 100%.
That was about me.
That was 100% John Dot right there.
like, 1 in 6.
100.
Or 6 and 1 or whatever the hell it is.
No, this is gonna be a good race.
I think it's gonna be a good race.
This will be a very good race.
Both go down. I mean,
I want to see both of them.
this is a race that people wanted to see.
Small block boost legal. John Dot, Black
Way
Sheep.
overweight John Doc versus way overweight Randy.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, they're both overweight for their setup.
Yeah, that's right. We
What's that thing weigh?
2880,
What do you guys be?
2650.
I gotta be 2450 and I weigh 2725.
So yeah, so that's reasonable. It's gonna be a good race. All right, here we go. Grudge race. They're strapping in. Next couple pairs up. Got Randy taking on John Dot. It's gonna be a good race. got to make sure you're in front. Okay, so what's the bet? What's the bet?
God, that was gonna be the best race of the year.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And
We'll do it again.
we got. I don't even think we got spicy.
Let's do 2 out of 3.
All right, deal.
Okay.
All right, you need a head start anyways.
Bye. You got
Yeah,
there.
gets his ass busted, goes right to talking.
Hey, what was that you were saying about the camp records here? I mean, I'm just saying. You just told me a minute ago. Refresh my memory.
7-1, I think.
Oh, 7-1. So,
7-1.
We got a lot of work to do here.
That just means that we always get the back tire.
Yeah,
wait a minute.
listen, we need a
back
handicap.
tire.
If it's 10-1, I'm done. I'm retiring. If it's before I get off one.
all right, guys. Good racing. We'll do it again.
That was a good run.
That was fun, man. I hate that y'all knocked the tires off.
Hey, it looked fast in my seat. I was like, damn, he's moving.
All right, guys. Later. Hey, you on camera? Oh, sweet.
You should go check out Turbo John's YouTube channel.
And John Dot YouTube channel. And LS Nasty.
Double
Oh,
You
yeah.
want to get one? You should get your shirt.
red.
I'm glad you reminded me. I need to buy it because I'm going to win it.
Then you'll have another Mustang for the camp, but it's gonna be LS.
Oh, yeah. First LS car. We got a grudge race with John Doc. Got the win. He knocked the tires off. It was going to be a great race. Randy did a great job on the tree. Had a 031 light. He might have grabbed a scramble down track a little bit. He tried to grab it against Chris Hardy, but where it's at and it's got the big fireproof gloves on, it's kind of hard to grab sometimes. That's the reason I put mine on a switch, not on a steering wheel. But he wanted to see it and see how it worked. We were within a half a tenth of our personal best ever. Taylor, don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com. Grab yourself some merchandise and y'all go fast and get some win lights. We'll try again soon. Later, guys.